Have you been wondering exactly how to get started with ChatGPT? Today is your lucky day. By the time you're done with this video, you'll be an expert in using the most powerful tool on the internet. If you are not familiar with ChatGPT, it's a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. In simpler terms, it's an AI that's really good at understanding and generating human-like text. This tutorial is specifically designed for busy, everyday people. If you don't consider yourself a tech whiz, we've got you covered. ChatGPT can be your handy assistant for a variety of tasks. Need help drafting an email? ChatGPT can assist. Stumped by your child's math homework? ChatGPT can lend a hand. From the simple to the complex, ChatGPT is a tool that can make life a little easier. In this tutorial, we'll start from the basics: what ChatGPT is and how to set it up. Then we'll move on to using it for simple and advanced tasks, while discussing some tips, tricks, and safety measures. So, are you ready to learn about this incredible tool and start making your day-to-day tasks a little easier? To understand ChatGPT, we first need to take a quick dive into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a field in computer science dedicated to creating systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. AI has been around since the 1950s, but it's in the last few decades that we've seen some truly groundbreaking developments. From IBM's Deep Blue beating a chess grandmaster in 1997, to Google's AlphaGo defeating a world champion Go player in 2016, AI has grown by leaps and bounds. In 2018, OpenAI introduced Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or GPT for short. This AI model was designed to understand and generate human-like text. It was followed by GPT-2, GPT-3, and the model we're focusing on today, GPT-4, also known as ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been trained on a diverse range of internet text, so it's capable of generating incredibly realistic and coherent responses. But remember, it doesn't understand information in the same way we do. It's simply predicting what text should come next based on its training. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means you have an AI assistant that can write like a human. It can help you draft emails, write articles, create schedules, and even provide tutoring in various subjects. The potential applications are vast, and the best part is, it's accessible and easy to use. To start using ChatGPT, you first need to head to the OpenAI website. Once you're on the site, look for the section that mentions ChatGPT. You'll need to sign up to use the service, so click on the Sign Up button and fill out the required information. Remember to use a valid email address, as you'll need to verify it. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in that email to verify your account, and you'll be taken to the chat interface. Here, you'll see a simple screen with a chat window. This is where you'll interact with ChatGPT. You type your prompts into the message field at the bottom of the screen, something like "Hello, ChatGPT," and hit send. In a moment, you'll see ChatGPT's response appear in the chat window. Now that you're familiar with the ChatGPT interface, let's start with a simple question, such as, "What's the weather like today?" You'll notice that ChatGPT responds as if it's in a conversation. However, since it doesn't have access to real-time data or your location, it can't provide the current weather. Try to make your prompts as clear and specific as possible. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me a story," you could say, "Tell me a short mystery story set in Victorian London." The more specific your prompt, the more targeted the response. ChatGPT can be helpful in looking up general knowledge facts. For instance, you could ask, "Who was the first person to walk on the moon?" ChatGPT provides a clear and accurate answer. You can also use ChatGPT to create lists. Try saying, "Help me create a shopping list for a BBQ party." And there you have it. ChatGPT suggests items for your shopping list. As you can see, even with basic usage, ChatGPT can be a very handy tool. Before we move on, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, we'd be ever so grateful if you'd give us a quick press of the subscribe button. We're an independent channel, and the more subscribers we have, the more YouTube tells others like you that our videos are worth watching. Cheers then. On with the show. It can also help with content creation, personal planning, education, and even professional tasks. For instance, if you're writing a blog post about gardening, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas or even to generate some text. Simply input, "Help me write an introduction for a blog post about gardening in small spaces." T can also help with personal planning. Let's say you're trying to eat healthier and need a weekly meal plan. You could ask, "Generate a healthy meal plan for 1 week." And just like that, you have a week's worth of meals planned out. Can also assist with education. For example, if you're helping your child with their math homework and you're stuck on a problem, ChatGPT provides a step-by-step solution, helping you understand how to solve the problem. ChatGPT can even help with professional tasks. If you're not sure how to word a difficult email, you could ask for help. For example, "Help me draft an email asking for an extension on a project deadline." ChatGPT provides a draft that you can use as a starting point. It can save you time and stress in professional situations. To get the best results for these complex tasks, remember to make your prompts as specific as possible. If you're not happy with the first output, don't hesitate to ask again or refine your prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can assist with a wide range of tasks. Next, we'll talk about the safety considerations and limitations. We must remember that while ChatGPT can generate human-like text, it doesn't possess consciousness, beliefs, or desires. It doesn't understand the content it produces in the way humans do. It's simply predicting what text should come next based on its training. ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff. It's trained on text up to September 2021, so it won't have information about events in the world after that date. Also, it doesn't have access to personal data about individuals unless it has been shared in the conversation. It's designed to respect user privacy and confidentiality. In terms of safety, it's important to remember that not all outputs from ChatGPT are factually accurate. Always cross-verify information if it's critical, and never share sensitive personal information with the model, such as credit card numbers or passwords. While AI like ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's also our responsibility to use it wisely and ethically. Let's summarize what we've learned about using ChatGPT. We started by understanding what ChatGPT is. We then learned how to set up and start using ChatGPT, from simple tasks like asking questions and making lists, to more complex ones like content creation and personal planning. We also discussed the importance of considering safety and ethics when using ChatGPT, and we talked about its limitations. We encourage you to explore and learn more about ChatGPT. The more you use it, the more you'll understand its strengths and weaknesses, and the more you'll be able to get the best out of it. Remember, learning is a journey, so keep exploring and enjoy the process.